Happy Easter, guys. Today, we will be mixing the Bacardi cocktail, and soon you will know why it was all the rage in the early 20th century. But first, more on Prohibition. Before we talk about Prohibition, we're going to talk about pastis. Pastis was a drink the French started to make the moment they outlawed absinthe. I made this myself. Now, the Great Depression helped put an end to Prohibition. Many couldn't understand why they weren't allowed to make a profit off their liquid gold. I mean, it was keeping the gangsters in business, but things were never quite the same. After Prohibition was lifted, most states passed their own drinking laws. Many made it illegal to drink until you were 21, although some lowered the age to 18. Woohoo! No national drinking age was passed until 1984. Now, technically, I was around when that happened, but as you can probably tell, I haven't had to worry about that for a while. Growing up is hard, but it has its perks. Let's go have a victory shot. Today's shot is Bacardi Black. Rum, man. The Bacardi cocktail was one of the most popular drinks right after Prohibition. I guess it's the island vibe that helped lift people's spirits during the Great Depression. Let me show you how it's made. 3/4 ounce of homemade grenadine. 3/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. 2 ounces of a white rum, but first we have to have ourselves a shot. That is so natural. And garnish with a Luxardo cherry. And that's the Bacardi cocktail. Today's word of wisdom is short. Some things don't take long to explain. Short is one of those words that kind of explains itself succinctly. I think I've said enough already. Happy Easter, guys. Today we'll be
Trace, dose.
Happy Easter, guys.